Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 4 EVS Chapter 3 A Day with Nandu. Textbook explanation with solutions. In this chapter, we are going to see about elephant. Facts about elephant, what elephant is, all those things we are going to see in this lesson. The purpose of this video is to make kids understand. The answers are just for reference. Students are highly recommended to write their own answers. The answers may vary from student to student based on their observations. So, the answers which I give in this video is just for reference purpose only, and each answers may vary from student to student. Nandu is a small elephant. It was sleeping. Nandu woke up and opened his eyes. After a few seconds, he was not sure where he was. It seemed to him that he was surrounded by a forest of big grey tree trunks. He blinked his eyes and looked around. Oh, there was Amma. The grey forest that he had imagined he was in was actually the legs and trunks of his family members. So, as Nandu is very small, he misunderstood that the legs and trunks of his family members as grey forest. The sun was overhead and it was getting hot. Nanima trumpeted, made a loud sound. Nanima is the oldest in his herd of elephants. She started moving towards the jungle. The other female elephants saw her and started to follow her. Nandu also went with them. Trumpet is sound of elephants. Oldest elephant started moving towards the jungle. All female elephants and Nandu followed her. When they reached the jungle, the members of the herd started spreading out. Each member went to her favorite leaves and twigs. After they had eaten, the herd moved towards the river. The baby elephants enjoyed playing in the water. The mothers lay down in the water and mud on the river bank. So herd is a group of animals. Twigs meaning is a small thin branch of a tree or bush. Do you know that an adult elephant can eat more than 100 kilograms of leaves and twigs in one day? Elephants do not rest very much. They sleep for only 2 to 4 hours in a day. Elephants love to play with mud and water. The mud keeps their skin cool. Their big ears also work like fans. The elephants flap these to make themselves cool. Next, find out. Nandu is only 3 months old but weighs 200 kilograms. What is your weight? Each student may vary from 20 to 30 kilogram. I have written as 25 kilogram. You measure your weight and write it there. Can you find out the weight of how many children like you will add up to Nandu's weight? So, 200 divided by 25 is 8. So, 8 children like me will add up to Nandu's weight. Fun and games. Nandu saw his brothers and sister pulling each other's tail. He thought, I better not to go near them. What if they fall on me? I am still small. He quietly went and stood near his mother. Amma gently pushed Nandu towards the water as if she was telling him to go and play. Nandu loved to play in the water. His cousins were already there. Just as he reached near, a strong fall on his head. He got wet. Oh, this was the work of his naughty cousins. Nandu joined them in the game. Nandu was afraid to go near the water, but after his mother pushed him towards the water, he played in the water and enjoyed with their cousins. Next, before sunset, the herd started back towards the jungle. By then, Nandu was very tired. He settled himself between the mother's front legs and fell asleep as he drank her milk. You have heard about Nandu and the elephant herd. An elephant herd has only females and baby elephants. The oldest female is the leader of the herd. The herd may have 10 to 12 female elephants and young ones. Male elephants live in the herd till they reach 14 to 15 years. Then they leave the herd and move around alone. Nandu will also leave his herd when he is that old. Like elephants, some other animals also live together in groups. These animal groups are called herds. Animals in herds usually move around together searching for food. Like elephants, some other animals also live together in the groups. These animal groups are called herds. So if you were Nandu, what kind of things would you do? I would play in mud, bath in river. So you can write any other point if you want. In the elephant herd, the oldest female elephant decides everything. Who takes decisions in your family? My mother and father takes decisions in my family. Make a collage of herd of elephants in your notebook. First, collect pictures of animals, paste in your notebook. Make a collage of herd of animals. Find out. Nandu did things that he liked to do. If you could spend a whole day with your friends, what all would you do? So you can write what you do. Playing, dancing, singing, watching TV. Find out and write which other animals live in herds. Sheep, horses, deer, zebras. You can write whichever animals you know. Next, do you also live in a group? Do you like to live together like that? What do you think are the good and the bad points of living in a group? Write them. So I have written 2 points. You can add up. Yes, I live in a group in my school and at home with my family. Yes, I like to live together like that. Good points is we can help each other in different times. We can talk and share our feelings. Bad points is food and space is required for each and every person in the family. Sometimes a small misunderstanding might lead to fight. These are the negative points when living in group. Have you ever taken a ride on an elephant? How did it feel? Yes, I have taken a ride on an elephant. I enjoyed it a lot. Which animals have you sat on? Write their names. You can write whichever animals you have sat on. I have written elephants, camel, horses. You must have seen many animals around you in books, in movies, in road, in pictures. Some may be alone, some may be in groups. Find out more about any one of these animals. See, here in this chapter we have learnt about elephants, how it moves, how it plays, what is the weight of the animal. We saw in depth about elephant. Similarly, you can choose any of the animal which you like. You can find more facts about it. Think and write. Why do you think the egret is sitting on the buffalo? It eats the insects on the skin of buffalo. Have you seen any animal riding on another animal? Write its name. So you can see crow or any bird sitting on buffalo or horses, camel. Any big animal gives ride and the small animal will be riding on it. Next, Which animals do we use for riding? Horse, camel, elephant, etc. Which animal do we use for carrying loads? Donkey, elephant, camel, ox, etc. Next, make your own elephant. See here a picture is given in your textbook. See where you have where they have marked dots, you have to cut there, and where this strips pattern is given, you have to fold it, color and decorate it, and keep it in your classroom. Your elephant will be ready. Next, what do they say? Look at these pictures and read what these animals are sharing with their friends. See, first, a snake picture is given. The basket is the only home I have. I have forgotten what it is like in the open jungle and fresh air. For me, it is only the basket and the snake charmer. So, snake is telling that it is living only in the basket. It has forgotten the open jungle and fresh air. Next is bear. You see me in circus, dancing and jumping through rings of fire. You clap and enjoy. Do you think that I also enjoy all things? If I do not do this, I will get no food, only get a beating. So to say, I make you all enjoy, but do you think that I also enjoy all this? So it is doing all these for food. If it does not do, it might get beating. Next is donkey. You have only seen how fast I run. Have you seen my shoes? Do you know how much pain I get when they fix the horseshoes to my hoofs? We see strong shoes on horse, so it gives much pain for them. So that is what it says. Next is monkey. They make us dance and dance and dance, even if we don't want to or we are in pain. That too with an empty stomach. Next says cat. Meow meow meow. I can just roam around everywhere. Children love me a lot. They pat me and also give me milk. Next is this bird. Do you know people specially call out to me to feed grain? So these are the animals and they share their thoughts with their friends. We have read what these animals say. Why do you think that some of them are sad? So some of the animals are sad because they are separated from their habitats, that is forest, and they have forgotten fresh air, or they might not get food, or they might feel sad as people use them for different purposes, which makes them very tired. How do you think they are different? The monkeys that dance to entertain people and the monkeys that are free. I think monkeys that are free are happier than the one which dances to entertain the people. They can do anything or whatever they want. Here, anything. They can do anything. They can do anything or eat whatever they want. How many legs does this elephant have? This elephant has 4 legs. Next, this is a textbook. I have explained all the thing from the textbook. Here, I have given some extra questions to know. Why do elephants love to play in mud and water? Elephants love to play in mud and water to make their body cool. How do elephants use their big ears? Elephants flap their big ears to use them as fan. What is an approximate weight of a 3-month-old baby elephant? It is 200 kg. What is a herd? Group of animals or elephants is a herd. Who are the members of an elephant herd? So females and baby elephants are the members. When do male elephants leave the herd? Male elephants leave the herd when they are 14 to 15 years old. Who takes decision in an elephant herd? Oldest female elephant takes decision in an elephant herd. How do you know that elephants help each other when they are in trouble? Elephants help each other when they are in trouble. They join together to care for and rescue their young ones. Name some animals that live in herd. So deer, sheep, zebra, goat, cows, wild beast. These are the animals that lives in herds. Why do you think that Egret is sitting on the buffalo? Egret sits on buffalo to eat insects from the skin of buffalo. What is the favorite food of animals? Leaves and twigs are favorite food of animals. What is twig? A small thin branch of a tree or bush. How much do the elephants sleep in a day? Elephants sleep only for 2 to 3 hours in a day. How do elephants use their big ears? The elephants flap their big ears to use them as fan, which makes them cool. Which animals do we use for riding? Horse, elephant, camel. Which animals do we use for carrying loads? Horse, ass, donkey, ox, elephant, camel. Hope I covered all the part of A Day with Nandu, textbook solutions, explanations and few extra questions. Next we'll see worksheet for this chapter in the next video. Please do comment, like, at least give a like. Thanks for watching Study Time.